Do you know why black patni is a must-have for Makar Sankranti? In our tradition, Makar Sankranti is one of the rare occasions where black is celebrated. It represents the elegance and warmth as we welcome the harvest season. Varkala's black patni sarees are adorned with zari weave, making them perfect for your festive day. With its stunning pallu featuring colorful peacock and flower motifs, this saree is a hot pick for Makar Sankranti. Celebrate Makar Sankranti in style and grace and get your Varkala's black patni before it's gone.